Health officials again emphasizing that the coronavirus does remain a threat and that a mutation specifically called the Delta variant could become the dominant strain in the United States by the fall. KTVU's Jenna Katsuyama joins us live with the race to vaccinate before it takes hold. Jenna.
Mike, one health expert over the weekend said that the number of Delta variant infections is doubling every 2 weeks. And that's as the vaccination rate in the United States is dropping from 3 million a day to 1 million a day. And here officials say that there are pockets of the Bay Area that are vulnerable. COVID-19 vaccine supplies are now as plentiful as sunny summer days and people ready to take off their masks. But there is still concern as the coronavirus Delta strain appears to be spreading more quickly.
The Delta variant does pose more risk because it's more easily transmitted. It causes more severe disease.
Dr. Michael Stacy, Chief Medical Officer at Lifelong Medical Care, says that's why they continue reaching out to unvaccinated patients at their Bay Area clinics.
That is predicted to expand and become the dominant strain in the U.S. So getting people vaccinated quickly is really critical.
I trust that we can get somewhere, because especially that we have the vaccines now.
Although vaccination rates are as high as 80% in some Bay Area counties, health officials have been rushing to hold pop-up clinics and get vaccines into pockets within communities that have low vaccination rates.
The Latinx population in Alameda County, only 53% of people have gotten a dose of vaccine so far. And that's similar for the Black community.
Right now, the Delta strain makes up less than 10% of all coronavirus infections nationwide. But health officials say that could change by fall because the virus is 40 to 80% more transmissible.
I think there's a lot of misconceptions that have been spread on social media about vaccine safety. I think also trying to get the word out the vaccine is free. The vaccine does not affect your immigration status.
Right now, the U.S. has an abundant supply of the Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson & Johnson shots. On Monday, Novavax released data for its 2-shot COVID-19 vaccine, saying study data shows it was safe and highly effective and protected against variants.
Overall, we had 90% efficacy, which is very high, particularly at a time when there are many variants circulating, in fact, mostly variants circulating during the trial.
But as people begin to travel more this summer, a warning today, Hawaii announced that a resident who was fully vaccinated has tested positive for the Delta variant of the coronavirus after returning from a trip to Nevada. That person had mild symptoms and is now in quarantine. But it is a very stark reminder that even if you are vaccinated, the vaccine is not 100% protective. Mike?
It'll be interesting to see where those vaccine numbers are at the end of the summer season as we approach the fall and winter months as well. Jenna, thank you.